Anutu manisitti majedhu kanurmaataati mal godhu har'a boreetu kana fide.
Jawaar Mohammed to me is
our Malcolm X.
He is our front line.
one in a million. Oromo means Jawar and Jawar means Oromo.
He is the voice of this upcoming generation in Oromia.
What Jawar means to me is he is the Martin Luther King to the Oromo community. He's a fighter, he's a believer, he doesn't give up, and he's been our momentum for this whole movement, and also just him being able to put his pride aside to fight for his country, for his people, and even till now, him being in critical condition, not stepping away from the fighters out there, which are the youth. He's supporting us, he's supporting all the freedom fighters back home, and he's just the voice for our people.
He guides us to fight for what we believe in, and freedom and equality for everybody, not only Oromo. So Jawar is a lot to me.
It means a lot to the people. Like, you can tell how emotional people have been since since the news came out that he's in critical condition. So you can tell the people really love him.
You know, Jawar taught me a lot of stuff. Personally, his dedication, his determination. We always call him, especially I and close friends, we call him a bulldozer. He always take action disregarding the risks that come with the action he took, and that's there are a lot of achievements he achieved by taking a lot of amazing risks. And for me, he is a true example of the most dedicated and determined person, and I learned a lot from him in that perspective.
He's like family to me. He's like my older brother. I knew him before he started all this, before he started All Men and all this Cairo stuff. So he's the voice of the Cairo. He's the voice of the Oromo people. So he means a lot to a lot of us.
I haven't got a chance to meet him personally, but I met his family. And, I love him to death, because although, sometimes things don't work out for him and his family, I'm always going to love him no matter what. He's going to have my support. And like I said, people out here, they're always going to have my support no matter what. That's the unconditional love that I give to my Oromo people.
To me, he's a leader, a voice for our Oromo people. And it's really sad that he's actually in prison for something that he did not do, just speaking up for his own people. He's a role model for me.
Jawaar Mohammed saba Oromoof nama qaroo ta'edha.
Uummata keenya haalaan walitti dhiheessee addunyaa hundarra jiran Oromoo hundaafu qooqa tahee jechuu Jawaar jechuun nuti jechuudha. Jawar jechuun Oromoo jechuu.
That's what it means to us.
Har'a boreetu kana fide garaan kommoo si malee kunoo har'as amma si dide.